Hiya, we've got Pete's 997 Targa in. It's going to go back to the body shop. He's had the front end painted, and now it's showing up the stone chips that are in the doors and the rear quarter, this side. I've removed the mirrors for the body shop and prepared the inside so they don't get it so dirty. Trouble with body shops is they get dust everywhere, so trying to just be a bit helpful. The car has got what we call soft sticky paint, and although you can't see it at the moment, you will do when I come to detail it, because I'll go around it with a light. But before they have it, they're not going to have it until tomorrow, I'm going to start by detailing the bits that really, like I've had to mask off on this wing. Well, I don't want to do the headlights after, because when I wipe this it'll mark again. This is going to be PPF'd when we've finished it, so I want to get a nice finish on it, send it straight to the PPF, and then we can safely look after it, you know, washing it and that without marking it. So today I'm going to start with the headlights. They're quite pitted and the lacquer has been rubbed back previously. You could see a wavy line goes all the way across the headlight. The stone chips down here, I won't be able to get them all out, and then I'm going to gloss it up. I'll do both of those, and just really try and do some of the bits before I actually have it back to detail it. So today will be about the headlights, so I'll start working on it and I'll show you each stage that we get to. See you in a bit. As you can see, this is the first flat with 800 grit. This is to remove the rest of the lacquer so that we don't get them frosted lines that was there before. Now I'm going to go to 1000 grit and then 3000 grit and start getting the scratches that I've applied with the flatting paper, start getting rid of them. And after 3000 it should be ready to polish. So there's the first stage that we've done. Might just give it a little bit more, see if I can get a couple of these little stone chips down a bit more. So I'll see you in a bit. Now we've finished the 800, then 1000, then 3000, and I've just had a quick flash with a 4000 disc, and it's now ready to start actually polishing back. So, but you get out, like I always say, you get out what you put in. So the better your preparation, that was a big word, I nearly lost it, the better the preparation, the better the end results. So, you know, it's always worth spending a little bit longer. I haven't been able to get all the chips out, but we have got some. And the next stage will be polishing it back up. And with a bit of luck, we can get it back to looking quite crystal clear. See you in a bit. Right, it's had 3 stages of polish. It's had a coarse, medium and a fine, all on the mini rotary Dave, and hope you can see the difference. All looking lovely. Just have to do the other one now. And that's took me approximately, I would imagine, hour and 3/4, something like that, to do that.